Hello everyone. In previous video we had discussed about classes, objects and methods in Python with respect to object-oriented programming. So let's continue with the remaining topics in this list. Okay, so let's start with encapsulation. So encapsulation is a process of bundling data and methods within a class. So this helps in restricted access to data members or methods of a class from the outside world. With respect to access modifiers, the languages like C++ or Java has access modifiers like public, private, protected keywords. But in case of Python, there are no such keywords for access modifiers, and all the data members and the methods which are written within a class are public by default. So to control access to a variable in Python, you can make the variable as private by adding a leading underscore before the variable name. For example, if there is a class called person and variable is age, you can append underscore before that variable name. Similarly, height. So this is the convention used in Python to specify that these member variable are private. Okay, so let's switch to Visual Studio Code to see an example on encapsulation. In previous video, we had discussed about classes, objects, and methods. Now I'll continue with the same code. So here to make it as private variable, I'll just add underscore at the beginning. Same with age. Okay, so let me run this one. Yeah, so here now I'm accessing it through the methods within this class. Let me comment this and try to access it directly using the member variable. Print person1 dot underscore name. So yeah, so it is not like in Python the private variable cannot be accessed from the outside. It can be accessed, but it is just the convention that if we add underscore, it is private, considered as private variable, so that programmer should not modify it or access it directly. Instead, you should try to access it through methods like get name or get age. There is another way to hide the member variables, that is by using double underscore. So let me change all variable names to double underscore, and here also. So now if I print this, and so here I'm accessing the variable name directly. Let me run this. So now it says person object has no attribute underscore underscore name. This is because like Python, whenever we add double underscore to a member variable, it internally adds underscore class name to the name, that is like it appends at the beginning of the variable name. Let me show you through print statement. I'll add this dir method. Dir method will show what are the attributes and methods present within the class. So if I uh, print dir of person1, and I'll comment this out. Yeah, so if we see, so it displays a list of names. So here we can see here, like it has underscore person underscore underscore age underscore person underscore underscore name. So this method of appending the class name and underscore at the beginning of the variable name is called as name mangling. So this will help in hiding the variable names, so that the anyone who wants to access the variables of within the class has to use methods which are public.